Oh, I'm so impressed to see you. You're Jadu, right?
Yes, yes, I am Jadu. Yes.
Okay, so bro, as we are meeting after a very long time, so please tell us that how is your English practice going on? Also tell us that how is your day going on?
Yes, my day is going on well. Also speaking English is going on well. You can consider because nowadays I'm improving my English day by talking with people, and very well if you will stop in between, then you can't improve English. So that's the reason I speak every day because I know about my speaking English. I should not skip speaking English. If I will skip, then I can't learn English. I will go down, and I will forget English. So I don't want that I will forget English. I want that I should improve my English. So that's the reason that I speak every day with people, new people. They are connecting with me. They connect with me every day. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really great that I'm also impressed that you're connecting with different people. You're really enhancing your speaking skill, especially because if you connect with other person, really it will improve day by day. And we are also lucky for that because nowadays we are really enhancing our spoken English. And you know that we are also connecting from Indian people. They are also making video, and really it's going very greatly.
Yes, really great you can consider because nowadays, lots of people like from different area. Suppose I think both of you are from Bangladesh, so I got happy by connecting with you also because you are, I think both of you are from foreign country like that. I can think because Bangladesh, right? So I get happy. I've got happy by connecting with you, and I'm talking and knowing lots of things from both of you like from Bangladesh, and both of you are telling, and if I'll ask, and you can also ask me about India, then I will tell like that, by talking with people from other country, we get happy. Suppose you will connect with any American people, so more you will get happy because you will ask him, how is America, how is background there, how is the area like that, everything you can ask, right?
Yeah, exactly,
Yes.
exactly. We are also same like this that you are from another country. You can say you are foreigner to us. That's why we are very curious to connect, especially Indian peoples. That's why we're having this conversation. And without this, we were having this conversation for practicing our spoken English as well. So, Jadu, could you please tell us that nowadays what are you doing to improve your spoken English?
Nowadays, for improving English, if I talk about improving English, I talk with people every day, and I do by myself also some ways of practicing is like that, which is done by me. At home, you can consider that is like mirror technique also. But mostly, I don't use mirror technique, because if I will improve my English in front of the mirror, I can't improve my English. Means I can't record my video for checking for knowing spoken English. How did I speak? That I can't know. But if I will use mobile camera, then suddenly I will can record my video that how did I speak in video, like that, where I made a mistake, like that. If I made a mistake, then I can correct my mistakes easily, and I can know what's my mistake, what are my mistake, like that, easily I can know. So that's why I use the mobile camera. That's why I bought the mobile, which has the biggest screen size you can consider. So that is at home mostly I use for improving my English, like mirror, tablet, I think you understood.
Yes, yes, brother, you're right. We have understood it. So, one question I'd like to ask you, brother, that do you go to school every single day?
Yes, yes. Now my holidays are running on. You can consider going on. So now I don't go to school, but my school will be started on 7 April. 7 April 2025. Now I passed 10 class. I'm in 10 class. You can consider. So I will start in 10 class, and now I got holidays. So I'm enjoying. 30 days holidays I got. So my school will be opened on 7 April 2025. I think after 7, 8, 9 days. I can say yes.
So, at your school, do you speak with your friend in English or do you use your mother tongue?
No, if I talk about in school which language I use only English language. English actually in which school I study, Hindi language. Do you understand Hindi?
Yes, a little bit Hindi.
No, no, I don't
Yes.
understand.
Oh, yeah. I actually medium of my school is Hindi. The medium of my school is Hindi, but I don't use Hindi. I use only English all the same. Even then, I use English. But some students speak only in, I think 90% of students, 90%, no, I can say 98% of students they use only Hindi language, which is the medium of school, And if I talk about myself, I use only English. My, I think I use and my friend they are using only they use only English, but they don't know like me, but I know better than them, but I teach them. When they listen me, they when they talk something with me, they learn gradually, and they learn from me, and whatever they don't know, they will ask about that to me, and I will tell them, and I will help them. What is said this like this? What is called this like that? They will ask me, and I will tell them. Yes.
Oh, actually, in India, you can say, especially in Jharkhand, in your state, you can say whole India, you are too viral and so viral. So after getting you viral, so what's your, teachers and your friends' reaction after seeing you?
Yes. After getting viral, now the reaction of my parents are good. You can consider wherever they go, any places, and suddenly people recognize them. My parents are recognized by the people that they are Jadu's parents. You can consider that they came here. They are in the market. Will be walking, and when people recognize them, suddenly those who are not a shy person, they will come to my parents. Suddenly they will take selfie with them, and they will ask them, are you Jadu's parents? Are you Jadu's father? Are you Jadu's mother? Like that. So wherever I also go, there are lots of people will recognize me that is Jadu, and some people will recognize me, but they will not, I think they will not, they will get shy. It means, they will get shy to come to me, right? Shy means, Sarmila, you can consider. Sarmila means, they will not think to come to me. Like I will go to Jadu, and Jadu's house also. Some people want to Jadu. Some people come to my home also, but some people don't come to my home. They, I think they get shy. That I will go to Jadu's house. What kinds of people are in Jadu's family. What question they will ask me. That like that. They think. But some people suddenly when they recognize me in the market area in any public places, suddenly they come and take selfie with me, and they make me friend. You can consider like that.
Okay, we have considered it by listening your speech that really your parents are so must feel proud for you that you're really viral in India, and they're also getting more and more, yeah, more and more respect from you, right?
Yes, yes. Respect also they get. I think people respect them. I'm also respected by the people because of getting viral boy like that. And if you will do any unique work, people will start respecting you. You can consider. Like if you will get viral, become great person. Suppose if I talk about Ambani, who is the richest person in India, you can consider. So he is respected by lots of people. I think all Indians are respecting him. I can say, right? All Indians, even from foreign country also. You can because of
Exactly.
he's great person, richest person in India. That's why. So that's the reason you can consider. How much like
Exactly.
you will be great person, that much you will be respected by the people, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
you're right. When we think that when we become our success, when it has come, we have succeed in our life, then everybody will respect us. And when we have started our journey in the time when we struggle a lot, when we hard work, that time nobody help us. Then they never will come to help us. They won't be able to tell us. They won't inspire us that like this way you have to carry on all the time. Never give up. They won't tell. They won't give. They will just tell that it is not a great way. It is not. It is not a great way. If you do it, you will fall in danger. This is not a correct way. So in that time, I have considered it really that person is really not good for me. They are not my best friend. They are really bad, and they always just criticize. When I will become success in my life, then they will come really.
Yeah, Jadu bro,
Yes.
you are 100% right, not 100%, 1000% right that when we become successful or when we become more and more successful and greatest person in the entire world or the greatest person in the entire world, so in that time our haters and our villagers, everybody will love us, everybody will respect us because they will get something from us. So I think if we become more successful, a richer person or greater person, so we must need to do that because everybody will respect that. And we know that as women human beings, so we believe in our almighty, so one day we need to die, so before dying is till dying we need to live with respect.
Yes, yes, you are right, bro. Because in the beginning time, suppose you are not great now, so people will criticize you. Suppose whatever you will be doing to become great person, suppose you are at beginner level, they will make fun of you. It can happen. You can consider. With me also, it happened. You can consider in the beginning when I was unable to speak good English. That time people were mocking me. You can consider like they were making fun of me. Jadu is going to become Angrez gradually like that. He's trying that he is he thinks about himself is a British, is the British like that, Angrez. So nowadays when I went viral, people started respecting me, and those people who were making fun of me, they come to my home for learning English. You can consider,
Absolutely.
and they say me yes.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. You're right. It's still, we when we start our English journey and our locality, we start our neighbor countries, our sorry, our neighbor villages. All people are criticizing about us, but we didn't focus on them. We're just trying to focus on our goals. We have already set up our goals, so we need to learn this one especially. So in the time we face a lots of problem and lots of criticism, so we avoid them. And I think that nowadays they're watching still our video. Those who criticize about us.
Yes, yes, really, you're really right. You can consider because it can happen with any person. I can say like every person, those who are trying to become great person in their life, they will, I think people will make fun of them. They will not like them. They will get jealous of them. You can consider, but when
Yeah.
they will
So
become great person, then they will, respect them. You can consider they will come to you, right? It can happen. In the beginning they will not like you, but when you will become great person, they will, ask for sorry. They will say sorry to you, like sorry, like that. I was making fun of you, so now I will not make fun of you, like that. You can consider, right?
Yes, Jadu bro, you're right. You are right. When they will mistake, when we'll success in our life, then they will come and they will apologize us. Really, it our really fault. It was really fault. Please just apologize me. Really, it's correct.
yeah, bro.
Yes,
One thing I'd like to ask you that as we're human beings, so all we have to eat something. So would you like to share with us what's your favorite food?
yes. I think, bro, we should talk enough, right?
Sorry.
Yes. So we will talk. I think tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes, we can talk. No problem. No problem. In this
Yes, sir.
time, we can
You
talk.
can
No
call me
problem.
at the right time. At what time today you call me, you can call me. We will connect. I think every you can talk with me because I give permission to everyone to talk because I'm not that kinds of person. Like some people will not talk with you. It happens. I think right. Some people like they will not
Exactly.
talk. Less. I think those who are not viral, so they will not like to talk with them. It happens. But I'm not. I'm talking with normal person also. You can consider. So you can call me and we will talk again with new topic.
Yeah, you are so cordial that you are talking everyone, and I have seen this till now that we are facing some problem with that. Those who are not viral at all, those who have less than 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, they have much, you can say, one kind of respect and argue in their self, ego in their self. So I think that they should remove this. And you are so cordial that you are talking to everyone. That's really very good for us. So thank you
Yes.
so much, Jadu, for talking to us and giving us your valuable time. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a
Okay,
nice
then
day.
we will meet tomorrow. Yes.
Thank you so
Yes, yes.
much.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.